In set 1, 20, 22 and 25, we're looking at three cases involving scalar multiplication. In question 20, you've got a recipe for crepes, 300 grams of flour, a litre of milk or 1000 ml milk, 6 eggs and 20 grams of butter. Now in this case, that's for 12 crepes. We want the situation for 18 crepes or pancakes. So we'll multiply this by 18 over 12. Or, if you like, 1.5 be the multiplier. So what we do, we multiply 1.5 by each of the terms inside the matrix, or each of the cells if you like, and we'll work it out as follows. So you can see, if I want to make 18 crepes, I end up needing 450 grams of flour, 1500 mils of milk, 9 eggs and 30 grams of butter. And similarly for the pancake scenario. Question 22 looks at adding GST. Now GST is 10%. Now I want the price after GST is added, so I can multiply this by the scalar figure of 110%, or 1.1 times would make life, I think, a little easier. So just punching that through on the calculator and then rounding, as the question requires, to the nearest 5 cents. 1.1 times 35 is $38.50. I'll just continue with those multiplications. Remembering rounding as required. Question 25 is probably more in the problem solving category. I've got to identify what T is. So what I've done here, I've followed through for the first member of the matrix, or first cell in the matrix. T times 12 gives me 3. So in other words, T is 3 over 12, which is a quarter. With that information, I can then go ahead and find U and V. So U is 5. And lastly, a quarter times V gives me 6. Transposing the 4, which is 24. Now, if you haven't quite got what's happening here, please take some time to review the work before continuing.